I've seen a couple of you who are using instance variables in a place where you should really be using methods with a return type. So I just wanted to run through an example with you, a little screencast, so that you guys can understand a little bit of where we would use one and where we would use the other. So here I've got an instance variable. It's perfectly fine if you were to create constants, or even for some of the projects you currently be doing, it's quite acceptable to use what you are, but we just want to make sure that we're creating reusable code, and the idea of abstraction is throughout the AP course. We want to make sure that we're creating nice chunks of reusable code. So here I have my instance variable. I can change the value of that variable. That's perfectly fine. Okay, and I can call my function round doubles, put in the value, and it will print out what I need to do. What I'd like to see you start to do is to create methods with return types. So here I have a method which has a return type of string. I can still pass in that value, and I can convert the decimal places as I was before. However, what I can do is to create a new variable, and I can apply the value of that return type to my new variable. So it's just a different way of doing a similar sort of thing. It will come in handy when you start to create classes and create methods which need to be reusable.